Do you suffer from the hot flashes of menopause? Do you know anyone going through this phase? You surely have heard that the symptoms of menopause aren't the most pleasant, right? Menopause is an important change in a woman's life. It can happen anytime after 45 years old. Usually, menopause is hit once the woman spends a whole year without having periods. This indicates that the reproductive stage is over. The main characteristics of menopause are the physical and emotional changes caused by the imbalance in hormone production. These may include hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, vaginal dryness, weight gain, depression, anxiety, trouble concentrating, and memory issues. Other symptoms are dry skin, frequent urination, sensitive breasts, headaches, urinary tract infections, reduced muscle mass, achy joints, reduction of bone mass. You may also present hair loss and an increase or growth of hair in certain areas, like the face, neck, thorax, and upper part of the back. But it doesn't mean that you will have all symptoms. Menopause is different for each woman and can last from a few months to years. Although the symptoms may affect your quality of life, remember that menopause is not a disease and shouldn't make your life worse. To deal with menopause, try this natural smoothie. Write down the ingredients. 1/4 avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 0.35 ounces soy lecithin, 1 glass skim milk, 1 tablespoon flaxseed. Making it is easy. Mix all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink 2 glasses of this smoothie during the day, preferably one in the morning and another one at the end of the afternoon or at night. But do you know why this smoothie works? It alleviates and treats the main discomforts of menopause, thanks to the actions of its ingredients. Avocado is rich in nutrients and antioxidants that dilate the blood vessels. It prevents poor circulation, an issue with menopause, and helps maintain your weight and health with its vitamins and healthy fats. Soy lecithin is a powerful herbal that increases estrogen levels, reducing the discomforts of menopause. Estrogen production is severely decreased during menopause, causing hot flashes that are lessened with the effects of lecithin. Honey substitutes sugar, helping maintain your body weight. Skim milk doesn't contain fats but is rich in calcium. This is important because women are more prone to osteoporosis during old age. And flaxseed helps avoid hot flashes and night sweats. It also improves intestinal function and controls hunger. Isn't it amazing? If you are having any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor to see which natural treatment works better for your case. Try the smoothie as a complement to your treatment and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.